Yo, how we doing, guys? Friday, last day of the week. Last day of the week, so we had non-farm payroll. About an hour ago. Which has confirmed the rate cut. The rate cut has changed now to 0% chance that there is no rate cut. So 88% chance that there is a rate cut. 12% chance that there's a double rate cut. And obviously, yeah, market has obviously reacted off of that. Absolutely smashing up. Stoney, how you doing, man? So yes, we are bullish at the minute, aren't we? Bullish at the minute. Just trying to get myself set up. I'm a little bit behind. So yeah, on the volume profile side of stuff, the only thing that I'm really liking the look of is a previous day point of control trade, but I don't think we'll come down that far, to be honest. I don't think we'll come down that far. I think the most it will come down is potentially take the low of the news candle. You never know, but so potentially no trade on the fundeds today. Nothing so far. We've been up and away from all my levels. But yeah, this is the ES chart, and just looking at the current week profile. Got a nice little wedge there to potentially get a play off of. So yeah, it's the only thing I'm sort of looking at. We have got one here as well, but what price is that around? Around the 512, which is where we found support on the news candle. I'll mark out the zone just out of interest, but I don't think it's one that I want to actually trade from. We've got 2 minutes. Nathan, yo, how you doing, mate? Pretty good, brother. How are you? Yes, mate, not too bad. Not too bad. Lewis, how you doing, mate? Alright, let's get ready to rumble. I can't see us pulling back this far, but if we do, just marking out some levels to potentially take profit at if we are in a short. Better to be prepared. Lots of little levels there. This one would be the main target, probably lower day. Alright, 1 minute. I think I might trade micros today on the indicator. I've only got 1,200 left to draw down. Probably going in with 1 mini might be a bit heavy. I don't know. Oh good, just put up a sit-stand desk. Wish I'd have done it a year ago. Oh mate, you're not one of them. What, one of them ones with the buttons on that it raises up and down? How anyone can get any work done standing, I don't have a fucking clue, man. But I hate standing. I'm 6'5", so normal desk to solar. Oh yeah, okay, I get you. Yeah, but are you using it to stand and work, are you? Or are you just getting it to so you can raise it to the height that you want it, but still sit? Let me know what your thoughts are on the session. I'm feeling like we retrace the news candle slightly. If that's 50% of it, if that's all of it, I don't know, but just have to stand up sometimes and give the back a break. Never understood that. Never understood that. See, for me, I need to sit down to give my back a break. If I stand for too long, my back starts getting tight and stiff. But to be fair, you're a lot more athletic than I am, aren't you? You do runs and play sports and stuff, don't you? I do fuck all these days. So, how you doing? No music. I don't know what's going on with OBS. There was definitely music before the before I started the stream. I don't know why it decides to just randomly switch off. I'll have to try and keep an eye on it. Old people issues. How doing? Yeah, mate, I'm not too bad, not too bad. Not having an amazing week. I'm break even on the funded, I think. Yeah, break even on the funders this week so far. And yeah, I'm down about 1200 on the take profit trader challenge. My position here is NQ, rejection pivot. Yes, we are a bit. What's the ES doing? I'd have said ES is looking a bit stronger as well than NQ. Which it has been all week, really, I think. Nathan, how have you been, mate? How was your day yesterday? Green, red? Week so far. Nice hand. Green slightly great so far. Today passed 5 lucid 50k. Nice, man. Nice. Smashing day. Alright, we're breaking into the zone. Yeah, if I'm trading micros, I'm hoping that the hotkeys work right. Hotkeys have been working fine on the minis, but I've never switched before, so. Leo, good morning, mate. Don't know if I already said that or not. Got to mention my mate who I was helping is now past the second combine. I've taken 2 payouts. He lost 600 yesterday, so he got a bit excited, but he's having it right now, mate. It'll be that'll be his career soon, won't it? That'll be him set. I was here 1.5 minutes before it started, but left the app for a little. Sorry, you're here now, mate. That's all that matters. Humbled him. I mean, losing 600 isn't too bad, really. I suppose if it's a lot more than what he's used to, then that makes sense, I suppose. Yeah, look at ES, man, holding up. Biggest loss I think was 320. Okay, yeah, so double the size of his normal loss. Yeah, that's a bit of a kick in the dick, innit? Got too greedy, but I mean, it's you've got to have them mistakes, haven't you? I mean, to be honest, I'm surprised that's his biggest mistake. Normally a lot worse damage than that. Just those chops I just said. Forget it, but then FOMO got me end of the day and I ended up... The trade did win, but it was after 4:10. Oh no, and the market closed the top step. Good to have found trades between 3 and 4, but no laptop. Also didn't have my charts up. What happened with the so was you in a trade for the market close? Did they just close it out, or did you was it like a rule break? Or I feel like if it's like a combine, they just close it out and they don't really give a shit. If it's funded, they normally, I'm sure I read that it would be a rule break. And how's your laptop as well, Taco? Is it fixed? Is they figured out what the issue is? Rashad, his mindset of knowing nothing really helps him stick to easy setup rules, yeah. And to be fair, yeah, if he hasn't had his confidence knocked, that would just generally help as well. He'll be able to go in with no fear. Pose a lot 405 for us. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's 410 and it is the absolute cutoff, so. I think they just auto liquidate. Okay, yeah. Let the repairs chop 2, they'll let me know maybe another day. Does that mean you're not trading then until you've got it back? If I go back up to another device, they will, but I'll see if I buy a new laptop instantly if needed, because I need to trade, yeah. I mean, there's no harm done. If it's going to save you a few £100, it's no harm done to just wait a few days, is it? Use my phone if I needed. Oh no, that's never good. I never do very well on my phone. Got no idea about today. I think buyers are going to eat up drops. Sellers are going to eat up pivots, yeah. I'm feeling like we are going to push up. Nasdaq's had a bit more of a pullback than what ES has. But it seems like at the minute the buyers are there. How long that'll last for, I don't know. Lewis, do you look at footprint charts? I've started to glance at them. Got like a delta one up at the minute. Yeah, it's interesting to watch. I think it'd be really beneficial like, around like key areas where I'd normally trade from, like on the volume profile stuff, just to see if there is volume there or not, kind of thing. Maybe I can get out of a trade if I feel like say if I'm longing, I can get out of a trade maybe for slightly less of a loss or break even or something if the sellers are still strong, kind of thing. Do one more day over 150. Monday I can take a second payout on Tradeify. Nice, Nathan. Nice, man. Smashing it. Smashing it. Look at volume and pivots. That's it. Okay. This will have the I can never say it. Stow kicks or whatever they are. EMA, but they just got me. Yeah. At the minute, it seems like sellers are looking stronger. On ES anyway. Bit of a choppy open actually, to be honest, isn't it? It's no surprise really. .80 range at Ruiner from the market open. Price action is arse, yeah man. I'm definitely staying out of this for the minute. Going to buy a later entry, but Olga was about to take profit, but wanted 890, so I moved to break even instead and got stopped out. All good. Yeah, I mean, nothing wrong with break even, mate, in this these conditions. Yeah, hit 890 now, haven't we? Yeah, I mean, market's essentially going sideways at the minute. It's not for me. Whoa, what was that? Sellers are here, man. Music has gone off. What I'll do, once I finish the stream, I'm going to see if there's any updates or something. Maybe it's a bug that can be fixed. Even at 500, but all good. Yeah, mate. Doesn't matter. This is a pivot to dip out. Market structure very volatile, yeah. That slap on that last 1 minute come out of nowhere, didn't it? $5,000 contract short, 5,000 long, can't lose. I think you probably could, mate. The fact that we're back here again, it's got to break at some point, innit? Surely. ES is looking like it's breaking down. I reckon NQ will slap through this in a second. In and out of 1 to 1 or 1 to 1.2, but I'll take it. Take break even better than losing money. I'll make 100%, especially in these conditions, mate. It's you never know when you're going to get a slap like that. In what, 5 seconds was it? There's no structure to this other than the outsides of the levels, and at some point one of them's going to break. So. I love chop, yeah, man. Stoney, I'm just grateful that the chop isn't in the trade entry area. Close on the 28 could be night night, yeah. It's looking likely as far as I'm concerned, like. Just feel like the more times we tap into it, the more likely it is to break through in it. You never know, sometimes we chop around in an area, then find support and push up, but... I think Brazilian Leo pointed this out to me once. When you've got like a consolidation like this, look for the what colour candles are the bigger candles. So you've got like what big red one here, big red one here, big red one here. Out sort of ways the green ones are sort of outside as the green ones. So I think in my head that means there's larger sellers than there is buyers. It's a good way to look at it. I've never really thought about it like that before. Getting a short signal at the minute. Need to wait for the candle close. I don't love it, to be honest. I don't love trading like breakouts. They just never seem to work for me. I find we normally get a pullback into the range before the actual move. This feels wrong to be selling the initial breakout. Right, I'm in short. 82975. Stop loss just about in place. Popped out on that. Yeah, I'm using 5 micros today rather than 1 mini. Hotkeys seem to be working alright. I'll zoom in a bit more. Yeah, so we're playing out my setup. Don't trade it on ES, but often then it plays out. The trouble is, one of the things, as soon as you start trying to trade it on ES, it won't work anymore. It's weird how like some things can work better on NQ, some things can work better on ES. Just the how it moves, I suppose, isn't it? 30, 50. I'm out on that one. Struggling to set up my stop losses at the minute. I have to normally I can drag it to the line on trading view because I'm got the indicator up on there, but I'm having to do it on Tradeify, which is a bit harder to do it. It's definitely got a short bias today though, innit? Just not wanting to give longs at the minute. Didn't peep that was actually a good setup for sales. He didn't take your taco. Stop losses in place. Got my stop loss sitting at 729. Oh, it's gonna be a 5-minute instructor shift. That could be bars again since they tapped the deep 1 minute, but I'm gonna wait. And I can't really see the P&L. You should be able to see the P&L, shouldn't you? Down the Hey? Oh mate, this is like frozen. Mate, OBS is getting right on my titties today. Can I restart? Restart capture. There you go. For some reason that frozen as well. So the music is also freezing. And the screen capture is also freezing. Obviously this is its own screen capture. Like its own little box that I've got set up because it's on my other monitor. Just with the P&L. Dodgy OBS, man. So yeah, when we get to 760, I'll be looking at trading because that's 50 points from entry, so. Scalping on the fib levels, way too easy, until it goes wrong, of course. Same with anything though, isn't it, mate? ES has just tapped into the Asia Open. I was missing something, I've been trying to figure it out. Sorry, mate. Yeah, it should be up. The trouble is, as soon as OBS is up and running, I tend to just get off it because I've only got 2 monitors. And I've got, on my left monitor, I've got Tradeify, I've got Google Chrome for the music, I've got Safari up, which has got the my wrist chart, and I've got Bookmap up as well. And yeah, Discord and OBS. So OBS just sort of seems to find its way to the back, and I'll never look at it, so. I need to start paying attention more though if it's freezing. So I set up on the practice while I was watching. 58 points. Kind of sad I didn't take it, but no trading week, so I've got to stick to it. Yeah, mate, stick to what you say. If you did trade it, and then you took a loss, you'd be fucking pissed off that you decided to. Because you've gone against what you said, didn't you? This up, yeah. "100%, but I don't lose ever." I wish. How amazing it would be to have 100% win rate. You'd feel like God, wouldn't you? Turn to the center, just hold, mate. Follow your strategy. Don't just YOLO win, man. Follow your setup. Look off the 205-minute EMA. Those scout points are like crack. By my course, 100% win rate. Alright, this is a bit where I'm trading aggressive. 775, 75. Right, my stop loss is here on this now. Stop loss is 760. It's not quite. There we go. Now it is. Come on. Take profit 729. And I'm out. Boom. Not bad, not bad. 485 up. Happy days. Really happy with that way of trading. Sometimes it's a bit frustrating, sometimes I'm giving back quite a bit, but today it worked out quite well. I mean, especially on this sort of bar here. Allows that wick back up into the bar. Tap the 50% of it if it wants to. A little bit further if it wants to, and then my stop loss is at 80%. Bit manual, but yeah, it's good. So what did I catch and what did I catch? $82 points. Nice. Solly, yo, how you doing, mate? I'm in the same short. Let's do it. Nice, mate. Nice. And I'm out. Nice, mate. Would have been up right now. We're just gonna wait. Yeah, mate. Wait for your setup. Wait for your setup. The sell-off is like Man United's decline in the past 10 years. Wasn't inclined to follow my rules, but GG's because I saw sales. Since above, didn't see any other entry till I got in, but it was like, dang, first entry could have been way higher then. Got to be a nice trade time. Cheers, Lewis. Cheers, Stoney. Stoney, did you catch it, mate? Oh, we're ripping through now. See, if I'd still been trailing, I'd have still been in. This last bar we didn't hit the stop loss, would have been here. Then maybe I'd have been out on this one potentially if I had done it there. Moving like 50 points for me, all good. Doesn't matter those Taco, mate. As long as you're following your rules, you can be happy, can't you? As soon as you get down that hole of oh, I should have done that, wish I'd done this, that's when it goes to get us into revenge trading because you missed out. And it's only a 50 points. Nice, Stoney. Alright, that's what ES is doing. Ooh. I was interested in longs from 485 on ES. Am I still interested? Blast through that level. Actually, I'll leave that there in case we find support, resistance, sorry. So here we've got previous data point of control, and I believe it is the... Got a bit of a fat node down the week. And yeah, I'll have about 5.25 points worth of room until the current week value area highs. If we I don't like to trade it if there's if my take profit is going to be after another level, so something like that. 5 points, 5 point stop. Then yeah, hopefully we blast through the current week value area high, tap in the point of control, and then get rejection off of here. I heard you saying it, then got into a sell literally at the very bottom. Oh, mate. Also hard to trade on the phone. Your YouTube trading viewer, then top step back. Yeah, mate. It's not a vibe on the phone. Top step back because it's fucking not fun on the phone. Got a bit of a reaction there. There is buyers here. A 30-minute candle. It is looking very heavy, but I still feel alright about it. I just need a little reaction off of it, nothing major. Highest volume of the session, bodes well. I'd like to see that on a reversal. Oh, come on, man. I don't love that. When we come close to filling me, and we don't, and then we hit take profit. We're in. Very, very volatile. Here we go. Large buyers are here. Get that extra tick out of it. I should have been in and out right now, but I close and go out again. Now I have the bottom again. Oh, mate. Boom. There we go. What a Friday. Friday's never that great for me. I'm pretty happy with this day today. Friday's being kind. 150 up on the fundeds and overall 3 accounts. 485 up on the take profit challenge account. But I am down 750 on the challenge account this week, so still down in the week, but up on the fundeds this week, which is nice. I'm definitely gambling. Just got to hold, only because POS retest. But if I'm gonna keep getting out, I don't need to be in yet. Just go out again. Yeah, you don't want to be gambling on your fundeds, man. Fundeds is not the place to gamble. Okay, 58. Yeah, I probably could have got it, but with this, it's so up and down. I need to in and out as quick as I can. Almost back at 1,000. I am in I. Oh yes, 993. I bet one of the accounts are. Boom. Can anyone see this? Where's OBS gone? Can we see that? Yes, we can see that. Look at that. One account at 1,011, one account 993, one account 1,010. Ah, I think the lows were about 650 on each account. And I know it's only an extra 400 on each account, but trading $50 a time, that's a slow grind, but we're getting there. We're getting there, man. Absolutely buzzing. Never Sam. Cheers, Lewis. Nice, Leo. Cheers, mate. Good props to you. I struggled to keep Express Funders 2-3 months. Yeah, I mean, it's going on a year and a half. I don't know, April 2023. No, 2024. I'm sure I just inhaled a fly. Boom, time to up the risk. Not yet, mate, not yet. I'm actually, for my risking $50, I should be on $1,000 account balance. I like to have a 20 trade in a row, 20 loss in a row buffer, which would be, if I got a $1,000 account, $50 a trade. Once I get to 1,250, I think I'll up it to about 65 a trade. Maybe this time next year I'll be back to 200. It's about the long game, though, isn't it? It's about the long game. I have a 2 trade buffer. What, 2 trade until you blame the account? I better just check I'm out of everything. 5th, field cancelled, field, positions, no positions, accounts, no open P&L, nice. No, I should never get 2 losers in a row. If I knew it was that easy, Lewis. I mean, it might be for you, to be fair. Happy for you, bro. It seems you found a system that fits the way you trade. Yes, mate. Cheers first. Yes, it's I'm enjoying it. It's very slow. Like, this is what, 3rd trade of the week. Yeah, 3 trades this week, including today's one. Obviously, I haven't filled that one out yet. It's very slow, but yeah, I'm trying to get into the habit of doing, like, sort of no more than 1 trade in a day and just waiting for the perfect setup. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Try and get the setup that I like the most. And yeah, I can just set alerts, so it's going to work for me when baby's here. I can just set an alert when we're approaching a level. I can run upstairs and sit on the computer for 20 minutes, take the trade, but then I live my life. So same here, Joe. Why not withdraw max from one express funded and fail it on purpose and reset $500? Can't pay to reset express. So you're taking a payout and an account with 0 pay. Yeah, that's it, Lewis. And also, I can't take out max would be 500 on each, and plus I need another 5 days of 200 plus, so obviously I'm not anywhere near that at the minute, so I can't take a payout until I get another 5 days of 200, and I need to be up on my risk before I'm there. So, but there's no, I'm not in a rush to take a payout, so I'm just wanting to build the accounts back up. Now I'm feeling like I'm a bit more profitable than I have been. I feel a bit better about building them up, increasing risk, and hopefully it speeds up a little bit. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, yeah, I think the lowest that they were down to was about 650 each, and now they're back to 1,000, risking $50 a trade, 1-to-1s. We've got there. Top 7 express funds reset some BS, such a money grab. Oh no, man, we were talking about this a few days ago. There's a few people saying that it'd be cheaper just to go to a straight to funded with Tradeify, which it would be, I think. or at least the same amount. I'm pretty sure it's cheaper. Or it can buy you another, like, what, 10 combines? Is that right? $50 a combine? Buy you another 10 combines, so you might as well just do that, and it takes you 5 to pass. It's still cheaper. Good luck in your journey. Cheers, mate. Appreciate that. Good luck in yours as well if you're still trading. It's interesting. The 3-minute looks quite good on this indicator today. 1 entry. 8.11 entry. What's... basically the same entry as well. Should be the hedge 2 accounts on any prop firm and paid activation, yeah. Yeah, what do you mean? Trade the news, CPI. So that's what we could, yeah, I mean... I thought we'd find a support where I was buying, to be honest, but obviously not. Obviously not. Pay 350 for a straight to funded 25k, yeah? Yeah, I mean, that's not too bad, is it? That's not too bad at all. And yeah, really, you can do a lot on a 25k account. You can do a lot on a 50k account. As long as you're sensible and play it safe and get out the buffer and slowly build up. Slowly increase risk. No reason why you can't get a straight to funded to a few grand account balance and yeah, start taking bigger risk. More money. How does Tradeify work? Does Tradeify move you over to live, or is if you buy a straight to funded, are you just on that forever? It's not something I've looked into. In one right now, risk and profits from funds if I lose and break even. If I win, I'll be good profit. Might even add a position if it drops hard and try pass my accounts. As long as you're doing your system, mate. That's all that matters. Around emotional decisions, because no reasonable person would do that. You'd be surprised, yeah. I think people just wouldn't sit down and work it out. They'll just be like, oh yeah, I really want to get my funded back and I'll pay whatever, rather than work out what it would actually cost them if they just bought some more combines. Add a bit of restriction too much. Going to close some. What are you in, Taco? Longs? If you are, mate, you want to be in and out. It's hard to call the bottom in this, mate. After 20-25k, I think they put you to love. Okay. Yeah, okay. People who would pay are the same people that would take 2 years to pass to combine, and then the same people who complained about the 5 live tops of accounts when they're never getting into one yet. Alright, I'm going to journal my trade quickly. Fifth. Friday. $10.26, $10.27. What was it? 1.05, I think, wasn't it? Yeah. 51.02. $153.6. Nice. $150 up for the month, and so far. So on the year, then, this is what I'm down so far, mate. If we can pull it back this year and end up having a profitable year, I'll be absolutely buzzing. I'll be absolutely buzzing. Last 3 months I'm up 979, so yeah, up almost $1,000 this month, in the last 3 months, including September. That's the goals, then. That's the goal, is to get break even on the year. A few months left to do it with a newborn baby. Also promotes gambling. Safety net for blowing an account in a day. Yeah, that's true, mate. That's true. Sure, so I'm just going to keep money and wait. I was up 400. Bad in positions and closing because the risk messing with me. Could have been out if it wasn't opening and closing. Yeah. Stick to your initial risk, mate. Adding can be a bit scatty. There might be pigeons fucking outside, you know, guys. I've got a tree right outside my back of my house. Great big tree, and I think there's pigeons going at it. At least someone's having a good start to their weekend. Very green day for me on the funded. On the funding ticks eval. I'm out, guys. Take care. See you later, mate. Nice one of the day. Easy day to be green if you're a trend trader, isn't it? Careful day is very strong on the short side. You can keep going. Don't trust it on the reversal trades that much. Yeah, mate. 100%. But also as well, I feel like we're so far down now. We could also reverse at any moment. What are we down at NQ? From the highs of the New York session, we are down 313 points. So yeah, big day. Where did I take profit here? I captured half the move. I'm happy with that. Yeah, see you later, Leo, mate. Enjoy your weekend. Big few months ahead yet. Pressure's on. Nah, I mean, I'm not gonna focus on that. I'm just gonna focus on every day, in and out, just playing the strat, playing the rules, and yeah, executing the strategy, and try not to focus on the bigger picture too much. Otherwise, I'll get in my head. Lewis, let's see. What, Lewis wants to see the pigeons? I can't turn the camera around, mate. It's fixed, unfortunately. I'm sure if you Google it, mate, there'll be some pigeon porn for you to watch. So I start, but this is why I gotta have my laptop in. Don't even be here doing this. Got to sell at 590 and keep myself over leveraged. Oh, taco. Taco. It's all emotions as well, because we've just been going down. And if you're shorting and you're losing, yeah, you're definitely over leveraged, mate. You need someone there with you, that when they hear you say, right, I'm done, as soon as you start looking to press a button again, they just smack you around the face. And then it'll soon sink in to stop it. This is probably kept going up, Sellers got fucked. Bye everyone, see you later, mate. Enjoy your weekend. Since it's 780 and kept closing because I gotta keep switching from my top step to trading. Yeah. I mean, it's 780. Sucking all the way up here. Accountability slap. Yes, mate. I love that. Might start using that. Well, I hear people when they're starting to sound like they need it, I'll say, "Do you need an accountability slap?" Not that I can actually physically do it, but maybe me saying it will help you out. Maybe I'll get the big screen up. I hardly ever use this. Where is it? Ready? You need an accountability slap. I'll get my big serious face on. Mark 300, so we'll go, I'll take a better now. Yeah, mate. Go on to your top step and just lock yourself out for 3 hours or something. Just do it now before you get any other ideas. Lock yourself out. And then if you like the look of something later, you're free to do it. But yeah, just make sure you're trading your setup later, and yeah, don't be chasing anything. Taco, honestly, that's what I'm going to do. Every time I hear you saying anything that sounds a bit dodgy, I'm just going to get the full webcam up and just stare at you. You're making good decisions, mate. Making it bigger made it better. I mean, I hear that a lot, mate. And on that note, I think I'm going to call it a day. Yeah, I mean, Taco, I'm up $150 and I'm buzzing. If you're up for 100, mate, call it. End your weekend early. Start your weekend early. And yeah, go and enjoy it, mate. Go and enjoy it. Because if you don't want to start the weekend on a really shitty note and be down on the Friday, and the weekend on a high, mate. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there, boys. Call it there. So down 745 on the week, but it's been a very choppy week on the Take Profit Challenge account. And yeah, up 150 on the Express Funded. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that. But yes, enjoy your weekend, guys. Take it easy if you're still trading. And yeah, I'll see you on Monday. Have a good one, lads. See you later.